Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you will always be healthy and amid a pandemic like this. Okay, back to our specific English course. Today we will discuss something special for you, which is about engineering. But we only discuss one. What is this? Yes, we will discuss about English for civil engineering. The topic we take is very interesting. Our topic is how to present a construction design project. Do you know what civil engineering? If you see large building and very good facilities, then you have used is civil engineering mean. Okay, here 4 steps for a construction is carried out. The first begin with civil technicians, then the second creates a project and its design, such as buildings, bridge, roads, and etc. The third step is to present a design of the building to be built. In this step, there are 3 ways to present, namely opening, content, and closing. But in civil engineering, there are several language terms that are not widely known or are usually called phrasal verbs. Well, we will discuss one by one, right? After that step is completed, and the construction will be carried out in accordance with the approved design. Okay, we will discuss phrasal verb first. Okay, we will discuss about phrasal verb in civil engineering. The first is run by. Run by is tell someone about an idea or plan so that they can give your opinion. For example, you will need to run it by the boss first. Yeah. The second is branch off. Branch off is a period or diverge from a main road to form another road. For example, this road branches off from the main highway here. The third, building. Building is incorporated as an integral or important part of something else. Example, we can build in this feature if you want. And the fourth, cone off. Cone off is restrict access using cones. You can replace the image on the screen with your own. For example, I'll need to cone off this area here. The 5, knock-up. Knock-up is quickly built. For example, it is only going to take a couple of days to knock it up. The last, pull down. Pull down is to demolish or destroy something big. For example, we have to pull it down before they start work. So, this phrasal word will be useful for you when presenting the design that will be used. After we discuss about phrasal verb, we will begin to discuss about how to present a construction design project. Okay, the first step is we will discuss about opening. What should we do? The first thing, opening by saying greeting. In the preamble, the first thing to do is say hello, or assalamualaikum, or good morning, good evening, and etc. The second, opening presentation carefully. In opening a presentation, you have to show cheerfulness. This is very important in the next presentation process. The third, opening the presentation by conveying intent and purpose. The next step is to tell about the goals in the presentation that will be done. For example, my goal in this presentation is to show and explain the bridge project design that will implement to add community facilities. Okay, next, after opening, we are going to discuss to the next steps. The next step is content. What should we do in this step? The first, explain the background of the problem behind the idea. You have to explain why this construction has been done. For example, the islands of Sumatra and Java are connected by a strait, namely the Sunda Strait. People must use wind to be able to cross the island. Therefore, the construction of bridge is needed. The second, construction project design. How to produce a good project and show the project design. In this step, you must show the project design that has been prepared and explain it. You have to explain about the planning, budget, and description. And the third, a strong reason. Why the project design is a good design. You must give reason why this design should be used in the construction. For example, this design would be great if we implement. The design we use will create a bridge that is sturdy, strong, and beautiful. The last step is closing. What should we do? The first thing, summing up the important points. The first step is that you have to give a conclusion or summarize about the important points that you have explained. The second, say apologize. The second step is to apologize for the presentation that has been made. For example, I have known for my presentation about the construction design project. If there are words that are not pleasing to me, I apologize. The third, closing and greeting. The last step is to close the presentation and say greeting. For example, I close my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Or good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, and etc. Okay, everyone, I'm sure that you will be a good presentation if you implement the step that I have explained to you. There are how much step? Yeah, there are 3 steps plus 1 phrasal verb, and I'm sure that everyone will be interested with your presentation. I think that's all enough for our course today. I hope this is useful for you, and see you in the next course. Bye bye.